Y'all, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm extra clogged up today and I ain't feeling too good, so excuse the, the energy I'm giving out, I guess. The little energy that I do have. But, I'm on the way to wash clothes. Today is Sunday. Yeah, today is Sunday, and this is the day when I normally, reset, wash clothes, clean up, all that extra. But I'm headed to the car wash right now. Not a lot of people here. I'm headed to the car wash to get the car wash and clean it out. What the freak? Are they closed? What's going on? They got cones down, but I see people at the wash. I see people here at the car wash. How they got in? Is they closing early? Or what's going on? There's another car in front of me. She's trying to see too. Y'all driving reckless today. Are you throwing your hands up at me? Yeah, you know you was wrong. I'm trying to see what's going on myself. You know what? I ain't even finna do this. I'm not finna sit up here and wait on nobody to come move no cones. The old lady, she said, she looking like she gonna wait. I think they closed. I should have Googled what time they closed on Sunday. It look like they cleaning up. They finna go. But I guess I'll go ahead. That just threw me off on what I had planned to do. So change of plans. I'm about to just go to change of plans. Ooh. So since the car wash closed, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw some clothes in the wash. I'm at the gas station right now. I'm gonna get a little gas. Then I'm gonna go to the washer, throw a load or two in there. Then I'm gonna go to the hotel and pick the kids up. It seems like as soon as I pull up, but I'll get back with y'all. Ten on 3. Thank you. Yeah, I do not feel good today, and I didn't even know it was gonna be this cold. And look what I got on. I did not know it was gonna be this cold. I mean, it's not cold, but it's definitely cool. Yeah. So when I leave here, I'm gonna go down the street to the wash. I look a mess. It'll be all right. I'm gonna get a basket. I'm gonna wash half here and half at the hotel when I pick the kids up. Because I hadn't been washing like this. I've been sick for about 2 weeks. And there's plenty of clothes need washing. I got plenty of loads. Maybe I'll wash these two and these are color. These two and this one. Or should I do the kids' clothes? I'll just wash their clothes. They got so many. This may be 2 loads. Maybe wash half of them here, half of them there then. So let's see. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get the wash powder. And somebody left some underwear in that. That's crazy. That is crazy. And I do not So look how dirty this car is. Yes. The kids got Lord knows wet. Food all on the seats. Yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. So this is the before. The before. Yeah, she got food in her seat too.
For you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, baby, let's go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be gentle.
Now this is the after. It actually took a lot longer. Just cleaned out the car. And this is what my daughter did. A mess.